Hey guys, Joyce and Anthony aka JJ. I'm going to open up a blend file that I worked on previously. Today we're going to go over masks, which I pretty much use every single time when I'm using the grease pencil and blender. I'm going to go to the brushes, and these KD brushes these are textured brushes. I showed you how to download them in day 8, but I'm just going to open up an ink pen, open up a new layer. In the materials tab, I'm going to open up a new fill color just to demonstrate masking. I'm going to use the colors that I used for this scene, and I'm changing it to material mode. I just sped that process up, drawing the 3 circles. Now to demonstrate masking, I am going to go back to using the textured brushes from KD Sketch. I'm going to go back and open up a new tab, and this is where I'm going to be coloring. Now it's time to color, so just pretend I'm coloring the lighting and the shadows of this brown circle. Okay, this is fine, but I want my coloring to be inside the circle. Instead of trying to focus and staying inside the circle, I'm gonna add a mask layer. Well, after I delete these strokes. To demonstrate, I'm going to click that little circle, use mask, and then the mask is selected. I'm going to select the layer I want to mask, and that is the base. That's where I have all 3 circles. So now when I go into color, everything should stay inside the circle. This is just a quick demonstration, but this just helps me save time. What I usually do is I'll do like a base layer, and that's all one color, and then I'll add a layer on top of that, and that will be my mask layer. That's where I'll go in and add lighting and shadows. There are multiple options. There's also an invert mask. I've never tried that before, so let's see how that looks. I'm gonna scroll down, add the mask. I'm going to click the plus. I'm going to do the base again, and this time I'm gonna click that little circle, and that will invert the mask. So I guess if I don't invert, I'm circling inside. So I'm just assuming invert is just gonna color outside the circle. My final experiment, I'm gonna play around with the white circle, and I'm gonna see what happens if I just put 2 masks layers. I'm just gonna see if I move the layers in the mask, if that makes a difference, if that changes anything. Nope. Okay. Mask, they just, like I said previously, they save time. And For day 14, the challenge is experiment with mask layers. Like I said, I use mask pretty much every time. For this example, the woman looking at the statue, let me show you for her. Where did I put it? Okay, so for her, like, this is the base layer. I like to make the base all one color. And then I add the layer, like I said previously, I add the layer on top and then just make it a masking layer. Just helps me save time. Hopefully after watching this today, you feel a little bit more comfortable with masks. This is Joyce and Anthony, aka JJ. Until next time.